I just learned about these laundry detergent sheets, which I think is such a great idea. You don't have to deal with those big, large plastic containers. So when you're done, recycle this little box. It'll just flatten and take up no room in your recycling bin, which is just the best. You can travel with it too. You don't have to even take the whole box. You can just take a few sheets and put it in a Ziploc bag to keep it dry, because you want to keep it dry. Once the water hits it, it will disintegrate. I'm going to do a load of laundry right now. So they recommend putting in 1 or 2 sheets depending on the size of your load. I think I would do 2 for this one. So all you do is take the sheets, just drop them in there, and we'll do another one. Got the Ocean Breeze. They do come with a non-scented version as well. I'm going to start the load. Start. And there we go. Oh, look at that. See how it disintegrates? So it's just disintegrating, turning into detergent. The laundry came out great, just as good as any liquid laundry detergent or pods. It smells really nice and clean, you know, not like overpowering scent at all. I'm not a big fan of overpowering scents, and it just smells fresh and clean. It's really nice. Did a great job. I didn't have any stains to get out, so I can't really speak for stubborn stains or anything, but I am very pleased with this. I'm so happy. This is great because it's just more convenient. I love it. I give it 5 stars.